Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
Is he trying to save lives or endanger them in this heavy rain? Too lazy to go around? Better take this shortcut.
Is burned all the way down. Not just the front, but like the whole.
I went from annoyed to guilty to extremely annoyed. I guess there's some personal beef going on here. Anyone who knows sign language, can you tell me what he's trying to say?
A few moments later.
Some people are terrible at handling traffic lights. This idiot thinks he owns the road. This is how one lady cut me off 3 times in one morning. Both drivers are fighting to go first, not realizing both lanes are going straight.
What are you honking at me for?
What the hell are you doing, dude?
Dude, that's not how that works. I have the straight.
Works,
I have the straight. You were coming through here.
You have the yield, dude.
I don't have the yield. Nobody in the track. Everyone coming in has the yield. I promise you that.
Did you hit my shit?
No, I didn't hit. Did you hit my shit? Is the question, man.
I got a dash cam. We'll
I
redo
do
that.
too, Don't worry about it.
My shit. You better pull over.
What the fuck?
Just another average night on the 91 freeway. This idiot does a burnout right in front of me in a cup.
Eventually.
Someone didn't want to wait for the light to turn green. I guess he's thinking, let's just sit in the middle of the road. This car was all over the road and nearly hit a few cars before this.
A few moments later.
Time for Grandma to give up her license before she hurts someone. This idiot driver goes the wrong way and runs a red light. This driver crashes into a vehicle while crossing 4 lanes to exit the highway.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.